Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to use Excel filter function to show only values above 10,000. This is a powerful tool for auditors, accountants and students preparing dashboard. Here we have a simple table. Column A, ID, column B, date, column C, category, column D, due date, column E, amount. To filter only amount greater than 10,000. To filter only amount greater than 10,000, we use filter function formula. For example, equals to filter. Array means the range of data you want to filter. Think of it as your source table. This is your source table you want to filter. Select. Include means include is the condition, the rule that decides which rows stay. Only amounts greater than 10,000. This is the amount column. Select the write the sign write the 10,000 bracket close enter. Excel will return only the rows where amount is greater than 10,000. Go to date column, filter, array. Array means you want to filter the data. This table you want to filter this uh, this column date. Select. Include means is the condition, that rule that decides which rows stay. Only amount greater than 10,000. This is the amount column. Select. Write the sign. Write 10,000. Close the bracket. Enter. Date. Select. Go to select. Sort data. Select the sort date. Excel will return only the rows where the amount is greater than 10,000. Go to category column. Use filter array. You want to filter above 10,000. You want to filter the data. Select category. Uh, you want to filter this data. Select include amount is greater than 10,000. Select greater greater than 10,000. Close the bracket. Close the bracket. Enter. Excel will return only the rows where the amount is greater than 10,000. Due date. Filter. Copy. Write. See. Filter. No. This is the time consuming. Copy. Please see the data. Change this column. Go to number. Choose this or date. Copy. Write the E column. Go to numbers. Write the numbers.